Yeah.
Whoa!
The weapon gets.
That's what Chase watches.
What? I noticed it. Anything ever. I'll be going
Okay.
to protect all the viewers at home.
Oh,
You don't want to stay
no!
apart.
What happened?
Oh, they missed.
I can't even say their name. They just like smash their keyboard and make that name. Or it's a different language.
No, how can you not say EN7121 Pro in the face?
Sigma. I'm thrilled. Uh-oh. No.
I'm the king on his throne.
Skibidi toilet will be mine, yeah. Ohio, telling you. Yes, let's go.
We're getting closer to victory.
This is looking good for the viewers. Looking good.
It's looking top and bottom good. The weapon gets will prevail.
Yes, I agree.
Good thing I gotta change the name. Hit hurrah!
Hip hip hooray! No! No! Bro, what is that? He has an anime goal explosion. But come on, bro.
The people watching are starting to wear makeup.
They're starting to cringe because look at this. Look. Oh, what is that? No. Come on. No, bro.
Go big or go home.
King Fro, Bryce. Go big or
What?
go home. Oh! Bryce, what are you doing? Uh-oh.
I'm purposely making everyone good.
Don't hurt me. No more. What is love? That might be copyrighted music, bro. Like, that's what Chase would say. If we show our faces, we're gonna get copyrighted.
By Jeff Bezos.
Really? Himself? Oh, no! Come on. Come on.
Let's get back into the game.
Let's get back on track.
Let's go on X Games.
X Games? No way. Time to go esports mode. Uh-oh. No!
Let's walk in.
Time to lock in. Let's go. That was some sick clips.
We need to play Believer for motivation.
No, don't.
Why not?
Just don't. We will at the end. For our outro, we'll play that. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. That's how we can make outros. We just play this song at the end.
Believer. What if it's copyrighted?
Yeah, don't play it. It actually might be copyrighted. Oh yeah. Gosh, no! What? I swear this guy's garbage at the game.
At the end, we need to play Legends Never Die.
No, please. That song is so horrible.
Legends Never Die.
We need to
Baby,
play
come
Cut
on,
My
let's-
Life into Pieces. This is my last reason. Suffocation, no reason. I'm going hard X Games mode right now.
Mm-mm. Kill dog it.
Yes. Don't worry, viewers. I got you. I got you. In the back, dog.
Eat my dust.
Eat my dust. Bro.
I got your back. No, what do you do then?
What else am I supposed to do?
You ran into me. Which was hurtful.
No. Wait, keep it out of the goal and we'll be fine. Bryce, what are you doing? Hard X Games mode. See, our viewers are Sigma. Uh-oh. See, viewers, we got this in the bag. The weapon gets. Return to lobby.